Okay, Lily, I know you're in exams and you need some stress release body resets. So we're going to start with the first one. And this
Okay.
is a fascia reset. Sometimes when we get stressed, the fascia hardens. So you can
Mhm.
just start by patting and kind of like a drum, kind of quite hard, and go down your legs. And I like to tap out with my fingertips, my head, my eyes, my neck if you can. Just any areas that feel tight, like a drum, quite percussive. We're waking up the pacini nerves and then come to stillness. Just for a moment, notice what that did for you. Yeah, you can take a breath. And then the next thing we'll do is compression. So pressing into the bones and then swiping out. Like you're swiping out any cobwebs or sending any stress out and away. I like to go down my jaw. I hold my stress there when I'm studying. Yeah, the back of the head, wherever feels good for your body. And you can go away or up the side of the legs, the IT band, if your lower back gets tight. And just do about 10 to 20 compression and swiping. Wiping away the stress for just a minute. Couple more, and then come to stillness. Just check in with your body. What did that do for you? And then the last kind of fascia touch we'll do is bring your hands to your cranium and float your hands away, but stay in contact. So the lightest possible touch you can do. And then just gently come down the front of the face. And wherever your hands are, see if the body can receive the light touch underneath. And you just trace different places along the body, just staying very much at the surface, down an arm. We're kind of waking up what's called the interstitial nerves with this light touch. And see if the body can soften underneath. And then come back to the cranium, the head, and just do that again. You could come down the front of the face. Seeing again if front of the face can soften, the neck, maybe the breath in the chest. Could come down the belly, the center, midline. Wherever feels good for you, the back of the body. Always returning to the cranium, very soft. Yeah, you can linger in one place like the eyes with this soft touch. And then release the hands. And maybe just check in with your body after doing those 3 touches, patting, swiping, soft touch. Do you notice any difference?
Mhm.
Any word that comes up? I feel just a little more grounded.
I feel grounded, relaxed.
Good. So that's an intervention you can do in when you notice you're getting stressed in the studying.